When do I need to install Toyota GR Supra wheel spacers?
If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offset, or a set of larger calipers with insufficient wheel clearance, wheel spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. Usually, the thickness required for the rear wheels will be thicker than the front wheels. Wheel spacer can help create extra wheel track width that are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel to increase space. The safety of wheel spacer largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. The wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the rim hub holes. BONOSS lightweight plus wheel spacers are perfect for you. They are hollowed for an extra lightweight plus advantage. The hollow hole is a proven design that is effectively reducing weight. The average weight of each BONOSS lightweight plus wheel spacer is more than 30% lighter than the previous generation product. Adding such a small, lightweight components most noticeably reduce fuel consumption. They also don't hurt the wheel bearings. Choosing the right wheel spacer for your vehicle involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, capability with your vehicle. High-quality wheel spacers can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!